Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super handy trick for automatically numbering rows in Google Sheets. This is something that can save you a lot of time and effort, whether you're organizing a big data set, making a to-do list, or just want to keep your spreadsheet neat and easy to navigate. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up automatic numbering, so you never have to type those row numbers by hand again. Trust me, it's a huge time saver. Alright, let's dive in. First off, make sure you're already signed into your Google account. If you're already in Gmail, that's perfect, just stay where you are for now. Up at the very top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a small icon made up of 9 little dots, kind of like a waffle. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the Google Apps menu. I know there are a lot of options there, Docs, Drive, Calendar, but what we want is Google Sheets. Give that icon a click, and you'll be whisked away to the main Google Sheets landing page. Once you're there, find and select the sheet where you want to create your sequence. If you're starting from scratch, you can always hit the blank button to start a new spreadsheet. Otherwise, just click into the existing one where you want those automatic numbers to appear. Now here, where we actually lay the groundwork for the automatic numbering, head over to the very first column. Column A usually works well for this. In the first 3 rows, you're going to type in the numbers 1, 2, and 3 so that the first cell has 1, directly below that goes 2, and under that 3. This simple step sets up a pattern for Google Sheets to recognize. With those 3 numbers typed in, use your mouse to click and drag so all 3 are selected. This way, we're making sure Google Sheets sees that we're building a sequence and not just repeating a single number. Take a moment here and don't worry if it feels a bit basic. This small setup is actually the magic that makes the auto-numbering work properly. Now you'll notice there's a small blue square in the bottom right corner of your selection. That's called the fill handle. It's like a little lever that lets you pull your pattern down as far as you need. Carefully move your cursor over that blue dot, and once it turns into a plus sign, click and hold. Now just drag it downward through as many rows as you need numbered. You'll see Google Sheets instantly picks up on the 1, 2, 3 pattern and continues counting for you 4, 5, 6 all the way down. Take your time here. If you're working with a really long list, don't be shy about pulling that blue dot far down the sheet. And if you ever drag further than you need, you can always undo or clear out extra rows later, no stress. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've set up automatic row numbering in Google Sheets. No more tedious typing, no more losing track. This works great for attendance lists, task trackers, inventory, pretty much any situation where keeping things orderly matters. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm always happy to help out. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more simple hands-on Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.